First this morning, from cleanup to recovery, the city of Buffalo is still looking for answers. It's been more than 3 weeks since the historic deadly blizzard hit western New York. And since then, there have been concerns about how the city responded to it.
Well, today, some of those concerns and questions could be answered. Daybreak's Lauren Hall is live in downtown Buffalo with a look at the Common Council meeting today. Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning, Pete. Good morning, Melissa. In about 7 hours, the Buffalo Common Council's Community Development Organization or Committee will meet here at City Hall in council chambers, and 5 of the 8 items on their agenda are related to that blizzard. Now, in the weeks since the blizzard, we have heard a lot from the council members about the response and their concerns. Some of those are federal aid for people who have had to make repairs that aren't being covered by their homeowners insurance, as well as getting a detailed inventory of all DPW, police, and fire equipment that the city has on hand. Then there's the much talked about issue of getting an emergency manager for the city. That is something Councilman Nowakowski for the Fillmore District has been calling for.
And I want to stress to folks that we have small municipalities in comparison to Buffalo like Hamburg and Amherst who have a full-time emergency manager who not only coordinates but plans and deploys a coordinated emergency effort during natural disasters. But what they also do is they, throughout the duration of the year, they come up with new training ways. They write grants for new equipment and new ways to train departments like police and fire for search and rescue. So that's really what we need moving forward in the city of Buffalo.
Now, we know that the mayor's office has said that the mayor is open to that emergency manager position. His priority, though, would be bringing on a fleet director to manage the city's fleet of emergency, fire, and police vehicles, as well as other vehicles. We also know this morning that the mayor's office has now partnered with NYU's Wagner School to conduct a thorough third-party review of their response to this storm. The Common Council meeting is at 1 o'clock this afternoon, and the DPW, as well as the fire and police departments, have all been invited to participate. We'll have much more throughout the day here on Channel 2. I'm Lauren Hall reporting live. Peter, Melissa, back to you.
Okay, Lauren, thank you for that update this morning.